Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This week, we're going to be taking a look at reimbursements as it pertains to nursing homes. Let's have a quick look. And again, Medicare pays for nursing homes subject to certain provisions. In some ways, it is much like inpatient reimbursement in that you have categories of patients. You have payment models. You even have some familiar terms and concepts such as case mix groups. You'll see some of the key terms that you should be familiar with here in your text. As you go along, you may want to go and try to find them in the ebook, which you can do by searching over here, as I did for thresholding. If you don't have the ebook, you can get these as well in the index. As you can see here, thresholding is mentioned on pages 92 and 100. And again, like other text, it always pays special attention to look at some of these things that are in tables and figures, such as figure 6.1, which gives you some terms that you'll see when you're looking at nursing home records, such as activities of daily living, personal care, and others. Be sure that you understand these concepts as you work your way through this text. There is a writing assignment. It's not as involved as the group project you'll be working on, but basically you'll be asked to look at some things and do a write-up about nursing homes reimbursement. There's also a grid that you will be asked to complete in terms of filling in some information about concepts that are mentioned in this chapter. You can use this grid as a study guide when you get ready to prepare for the final exam that's coming up later in the term. That's all I have for you. We'll see you online. Bye now.